How do you make concrete float? We're here with UF Civil Engineering at Wow Hall to learn more. Brennan, tell us about Concrete Canoe.
Well, here at Concrete Canoe, we're a civil engineering design team where we design, build, and race concrete canoes. We're actually one of the longest 10-year design teams here on campus with over 30 years of experience. And in that time, we've had 4 national championships, including last year with 2024.
How do you make concrete float?
Well, as you probably know, it doesn't want to do that. So we have 2 very talented design teams which focus on that. The 2 main problems are structure and shape. Our whole design team tackles the shape and our mixed team tackles the structure.
I can imagine the application process for this is pretty competitive. How do students join Concrete Canoe?
Well, they can join our entry-level position called our technician program, where they take an entire school year to learn from the current design captains who are actively working on the project. Then that next year, they graduate into that captain role where it's their design, it's their input, it's their ideas going into the actual boat. And then 2 of those captains that following year become project managers running the project and trying to keep us afloat.
Speaking of keeping you afloat, tell us more about that day of competition and what that looks like.
So our first big competition is the regional one. This year it's going to be at Athens at UGA, where over 30 teams from Georgia, Florida, and Puerto Rico will compete. And if we win that, then we do a national competition in midsummer.
And the competition is more than just the race. Tell us about what other elements you're working on.
There's 3 other main components. There's the project proposal, which is an 18-page long paper where we outline how to build a concrete canoe. There's a technical presentation where we convince judges about the quality of our project and why our canoe is the best. And then we have a final product where they actually look at our boat and grade it on workmanship, durability, and overall aesthetics.
What does being a part of Concrete Canoe teach you about civil engineering?
The main thing you learn is how to actually keep to a schedule. Civil engineering works really fast, and one of the main ways you win work in the public sector is through doing actual project proposals and technical presentations. And after I got an internship, I realized how good of an analog this actually is to real life.
If you'd like to learn more about UF's design team, follow them on social media at UF Concrete Canoe.